Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. I've got another beauty box to share with you, and it is Plouise budget box, and this is the October box, which you receive in November. If you're new to the subscription and you want to learn a little bit more, then carry on watching. But if you've heard it all before and you just want to skip forward to seeing what's inside this box, then you will find a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. Plouise's budget box is a makeup and skincare and tool monthly subscription box that ships internationally. It costs £30 a box, and to the UK it's £1. Shipping outside of the UK is calculated at checkout. The boxes are sent out at the end of the month, and we usually receive them within the first few days of the following month. If you were to subscribe now, then your first box will be the November box, which you will receive the first week or so in December. You won't receive this one. Now, they do one-off boxes. It's worth checking on their website. Sometimes they sell out pretty quickly, but it's worth checking to see if they're still there, and they cost the same as a subscription. So if you're interested in just like trying one out or something, then that might be an option for you. As far as I'm aware, there's no discount codes or freebies, but if there was ever one that I came across, I will definitely add it in my description, where you'll find links to the subscription and all my discount codes and giveaways and everything like that. You'll find it all listed down below. This box will appeal to you if you are a makeup artist, but I still love this box, as a load of you lot do as well who aren't makeup artists. The reason it's more aimed for makeup artists is because it's a chance to build up a makeup kit, so we might see repeated products in there. Like in one box we had like 3 or 4 blushes, another box we had 3 or 4 bronzers, all in different shades. To me, that's a little bit like a bit underwhelmed, because I want to try as much Plouise products as I can. I can see from their point of view where the thought is coming from, because it makes sense. If you are a makeup artist, you know, you need as many shades as you can. That doesn't happen all the time. We've had amazing boxes with gorgeous full-size palettes, skincare, some really gorgeous stuff, which is why I'm continuing with this subscription, because I just love it. I really love it. And on top of that, we get exclusives as well. Sometimes we receive products that aren't even released yet, which is always exciting. So I think that's it as far as information goes. If there's anything else, then please ask away. But let's get on to open this up and showing you what's inside. You get a card. It doesn't tell you anything about the products, but it just tells you about the box, really. Well, budget box by Plouise for babes on a budget. Welcome to the world of Plouise. We do nothing differently here. And it's the same on the back. So let's start off then with Bad Bitch Energy Coffee Poke Me Pumpkin. It contains a lip conditioner and a lip oil. Look, a little straw there. The wrapper took ages to come off then. Hey, I love the lip products. We've got here Protect Your Pout Pumpkin Spice. It's a lip conditioner. It is so cute. You can attach it anywhere. In your bag, anywhere. For the sweetest kisses that taste oh so good. It says can be used as a lip conditioner or primer. Can't see anything, but ooh, what's the smell? Oh, it feels so nice. It just feels so nice. Yeah, is it coffee then? It does say coffee. Energy coffee, pumpkin spice. Yeah, it's a pumpkin spice coffee. That's so weird. I wasn't expecting that. It's like a lip treatment. Then we've got a Stay Shining Super Hydrated Formula. We've got a lip oil, Poke Me Pumpkin. Look how beautiful that is. It's so cool. Way over the top, but I love it. Yeah. That smells as well. That's got a stronger pumpkin-y coffee taste. So you've got a slight hint there. I wouldn't say it's my favourite of the scents, but it's okay. I'd still use it. So we've got a tinted lip oil and we've got a lip conditioner treatment. Next, we've got a Hold You Down, Long Lasting Hold, Quick Dry Formula. Never let the hands that you hold you back. What is it? Just like your brows, the very things that hold you down in life are going to lift you up. Is it a brow gel? It must be. Okay, yeah, it says here, Hold You Down can be used either to softly lift the brows into a fluffy position or lift it up and pressed flat against the skin dramatically for a bigger impact. I'm loving the sound of this. So we've got a little tin. and a brush, and I tend to bend these so it looks like that. It just makes it easier. I have got microbladed brows, and I had them done about 18 months ago. They are quite flat at the moment, as in the colour is faded quite flat, so I'm having to draw in strokes just to blend it all out evenly. But I do love putting gels in my brows. I've got hardly any natural brows, but I do like them pushed up a little bit to give the illusion of more thickness and fullness. I love the laminated brow look. I love it. Not extreme, full on up. I just love a fluffy front and then smoothing it over. That's what I like. Then we've got a lip drip. This is a thick formula. Irresistible High Shine in Peach-a-Boo. They are so, so lovely. I really, really like them. So yeah, Peach-a-Boo. They're lip glosses, they are. Oh, look at that colour. Oh, that's a bit different, isn't it? Wow. Wow. And that's really pigmented as well. It's like a corally orange. Yeah, I like that. That is really nice. So that's to add to my lip drip collection. And then the last item, I think, is a palette. It's usually a palette of some sorts. This is And So the Adventure Begins. Spread your wings, babe. Your fly-in passport. Who's that? What's this? The sky's the limit. You owe it to yourself to become everything you've ever dreamed of being. Thank you for flying with Plouise. We wish you a healthy journey. It always takes me a while to work out what the heck I'm looking at. It doesn't matter where you're going, it's who you've got beside you on the journey, which is why we've made sure our worldy brushes, you've got brushes, are the perfect travel size for you to catch flight, not feel it. Oh my gosh, okay, so it's brush set. Oh wow, look. Oh, that's so cool. Although the side is coming off there. Yeah, never mind. But look at the packaging. Oh, there's more. It is literally like a little book. Passport control. It's time to depart from that comfort zone. Oh, I like this. It says, my now circumstances, my aspirations for the next 5 years. Tell me what it looks like, feels and smells like. Oh, I like this. Believe in your abilities. Don't compete. You're on your own flight path. Absolutely. Then it's asking you to reflect on your health, your wealth, your dreams. And yeah, love myself more by. I really love things like this. Always reflect on your journey. You see there. Wow, there's a lot of packaging for brushes. There's no brushes. There's no brushes. It's empty. What the heck? There's no brushes. Oh my gosh. I am gutted. Do they have a picture of them? No passport to success. I've got no, there's nothing there. I'm supposed to have 4, I'm guessing. What the heck? Oh, that hasn't happened before. I am absolutely gutted. That is a gorgeous box. Lots of cool things in there, although it's broken there, it just doesn't want to stick down. It's like a little self-awareness journal. And then the brushes at the back. I'm going to get in touch with them and see what they say. If you are a subscriber to the Plouise box, please let me know what they look like if you receive them, or if you never receive them either. Maybe they're just giving me the box and I'll receive brushes at another time. I don't know. The box is really cute, but I would have preferred the brushes. I am gutted about that. So there you go. So those are all the products inside the Plouise budget box for October, which you're seeing in November. So I'll just go through them all, giving you a bit of a recap. We've got a Hold You Down, a brow gel and brush. We've got a Bad Bitch Energy. We've got a pumpkin latte. I think it's pumpkin latte. We've got a lip conditioner and a lip oil in there. We've got a gorgeous Peach-a-Boo lip drip lip gloss. And then lastly, a box of nothing. A box which should contain, I'm assuming, travel brushes. If the brushes were in there, this would be an amazing box, but I'm feeling a bit deflated, if I'm honest. Bit gutted. But I'd love to hear your thoughts, especially if you are a subscriber. I'd love to hear if you receive the same as me. But yeah, this doesn't often happen. I can't think if it's happened before. I don't think it has, not since I've been subscribing. But yeah, please let me know. Please let me know what you think of the subscription. But thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. Take care. Bye.